Hey there, marketers! Are you ready to supercharge your affiliate marketing game? Today, I'm diving into the key habits that can make you a powerhouse in this ever-evolving field. Let's jump right in. First up, let me tell you about consistent content creation. Imagine you're a farmer. You can't just plant seeds one day and expect a bountiful harvest the next morning. You need to nurture, water, and tend to those plants regularly. Similarly, in affiliate marketing, creating high-quality, engaging content consistently is your bread and butter. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, keep that content flowing. Algorithms love it, and so do your followers. Next, let's talk about the power of building genuine relationships. Picture this. You're at a networking event and you meet someone who only talks about themselves and their needs. Annoying, right? In affiliate marketing, it's crucial to genuinely connect with your audience and partners, respond to comments, answer questions, and provide value without always expecting something in return. Trust me, this habit builds loyalty and credibility over time. Now, onto the magic of data-driven decisions. Imagine you're a captain navigating the open seas. Would you sail blindly without a map or compass? Of course not. Use analytics tools to track your performance and understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on real data, not just gut feelings. This habit ensures you're always on the right course. Let's not forget the importance of staying updated. The digital world changes faster than a chameleon on a rainbow. Make it a habit to read industry blogs, attend webinars, and follow thought leaders. Staying informed about trends and updates keeps you ahead of the curve and ready to adapt. Now here's a story that drives home the importance of perseverance. There was once a young marketer named Alex. Alex faced countless rejections and failures in the beginning. Campaigns flopped and partnerships fell through. But Alex didn't give up. Instead, Alex analyzed what went wrong, learned from mistakes, and kept pushing forward. Over time, Alex's persistence paid off, leading to massive success and becoming a top affiliate marketer. Remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback. Finally, embrace the habit of continuous learning. Think of yourself as a sponge, always ready to soak up new knowledge and skills. Whether it's taking an online course, reading a new book, or experimenting with different strategies, never stop learning. The more knowledge you have, the more tools you have in your arsenal to tackle any challenge. So, there you have it. Master these habits, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Stay consistent, build real connections, make data-driven decisions, keep learning, and most importantly, never give up. Go out there and crush it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and strategies. See you next time.